Hi, my name is Toya Tate, and I am a principal at Slalom and Salesforce MVP. Welcome to AppExchange Mavericks. Today I'm joined by Paul Gleeson from Icertis. Paul, can you please introduce yourself and tell us about your solution and what it does?
Thanks, Toya. My name is Paul Gleeson, and it is my privilege to be the Senior Vice President for Alliances and Partners at Icertis. Icertis is the world leader in contract intelligence, and our platform manages trillions of dollars of contract value for our customers every day. At Icertis, we recognize that contracts are the foundation of commerce. They govern every dollar in and out of an organization. And through our interactions with customers, we've identified a universal challenge that they face. Their contracts are often ignored and the data is static, effectively destroying value, stifling innovation, and creating risk. So Icertis Contract Intelligence, or ICI, leverages our 10+ years of experience in contract lifecycle management to transform sales contractual information into structured, connected, and actionable data. Leveraging our unique AI ML capabilities and integrating seamlessly into Salesforce's Sales Cloud, Revenue Cloud, Commerce Cloud, and Experience Cloud, we enable customers to gain intellectual insights and automated contract creation. This is all made possible using Icertis from directly within Salesforce's environment that our customers use every day, helping them accelerate sales cycles, increase deal sizes, and reduce risk.
Thanks for that answer, Paul, and telling us a little bit more about what Icertis does. So can you tell us what makes Salesforce and your solution a great match?
Well, Toya, if you think about it, every successful sales cycle culminates in a contract with the client. But frustratingly, this last step of creating, negotiating, and agreeing to the contract is typically very time-consuming. And that's exactly not what companies want when they're trying to close high volumes of deals, especially at the quarter or fiscal close. For a lot of companies, this delay in the final contracting stage is caused by last-minute negotiations, configuration and pricing changes, and too many requests made on their legal departments who simply cannot keep up with the volume of work. Fortunately, this is exactly where Icertis and Salesforce can help. With the power of ICI combined with the power of Salesforce, companies can create seamless lead-to-cash workflows that empower their team to close bigger deals faster. We've built a specific solution named the Icertis Experience for Salesforce that helps ensure customers get the most from their investment in Salesforce and realize faster sales and contract execution. The Icertis Experience for Salesforce is a native integration that provides account managers, business development professionals, and sales managers capabilities that empower sellers to create, redline, and route contracts using one-click nightly components, accelerate the creation of any type of agreement using pre-populated data from Salesforce CRM and Revenue Cloud, and enable Salesforce administrators and developers to rapidly deploy and update configurations within Customer 360. So in summary, customers can create automated CRM, CPQ, and CLM activities to streamline their contract reviews and approvals across all stakeholders.
Paul, ICI sounds like it solves a lot of the pain points I hear every day as a consultant. So what is it about your solution that makes it unique?
Well, first off, Icertis pushes beyond the contract lifecycle management and into the realm of contract intelligence, where we are the market leaders. In fact, Gartner, Forrester, and IDC have ranked Icertis as a leader in all of their latest research. We understand that contracts define the rules of business, and we build our technology to enable the rules of business. The commitments, risk, and governance all need to be baked into the business processes. No other company is as laser-focused as Icertis is in ensuring the intent of every business relationship in the enterprise is correctly captured in the contract and then fully realized in the real world. Second, and at a more tactical level, Icertis differentiates itself by being flexible, fast, and future-ready. Flexible is where Icertis is extremely configurable. Whatever your business requirements, we can meet them. Our platform is highly extensible and can unlock greater enterprise value. By fast, we mean our core platform, our business applications and tailored industry solutions We can quickly deploy these so our customers can realize value quickly. As Icertis Contract Intelligence is 100% in the cloud, we are able to scale to incredible levels, managing millions of contracts for our very large customers. And future ready, ICI is constantly being updated and improved based on the best practices gathered by our industry-leading clients. And because we're 100% focused on contract intelligence, we have unmatched R&D focused on advancing the state of this technology. So let's take a look at Icertis Experience for Salesforce now. With the Icertis Experience for Salesforce, users can easily analyze existing contractual data and author new contracts. Through a few simple clicks, users can share draft contracts for internal or external review. Redline versions can be managed in Salesforce, and the user can take action on any notifications relating to any changes made by reviewers. The comparison of document versions can be performed directly inside the application with a graphical markup. Also, dynamic workflow and approvals are introduced into the Lifecycle, so users can then send out for signatures in just a few easy and intuitive steps. Icertis employs advanced analytics that enable users to quickly and easily review insights into pertinent information, for example, contract performance, supply statistics, and risk. Icertis AI capabilities provides users with actionable insights into sanctioned entities, compliance, and other important data.
That was a great demo of ICI. Can you give an example of how customers are using your solution today?
Sure, Toya. There are plenty to choose from, but perhaps one of the best is Accenture. Accenture, as we all know, is a huge organization doing business across the globe involving complex and often long-term engagements. To support its sales teams, Accenture has over 2,800 legal professionals in 46 countries who negotiate and execute thousands of highly customized multilingual legal documents every month. Icertis makes it easy for Accenture's legal and sales teams to collaborate on contracts to ensure that they are compliant without slowing down their business. For example, their lawyers can insert the latest precedent language into a contract with one easy click, or create client-specific templates, all of which shorten turnarounds of high-volume contracts. For their sales teams, the platform provides a single view of information across clients and contracts. And for the Accenture sales leaders, they can easily create dashboards of their projects by geographies or countries and capture such important information such as expiration dates. With the built-in analytics, Accenture is able to gain powerful insights on the performance of their entire contract portfolio. More than 90,000 contracts with 1,500 client-specific templates have been onboarded in the system within the first 9 months of rollout. Accenture can support hundreds of thousands of contracts in their one single ICI system.
That was a fantastic example, Paul. Last question for you. What is the biggest trend you're seeing right now in your field?
Thanks, Toya. There are a couple of interesting developments going on in the industry right now. Companies are expanding their understanding of how they can leverage contract intelligence in their operations. With our powerful AI, our customers are digitizing thousands, even millions of contracts, and then structuring that information so they can gain insights that help them orchestrate and control their operations and react to fast-moving situations. For example, the response to the war in Ukraine and mounting pressure we're seeing in organizations around ESG. With the war in Ukraine, when sanctions started coming down on Russia, companies had to quickly determine what businesses they had in those sanctioned parties. We were able to create a module that extracted relevant contract data and matched it against third-party sources such as trade.gov, so that companies could report to their stakeholders their position and determine their next steps. This was a huge undertaking for enterprises who needed this information for quickly responding to a very fast-moving situation. With ESG, companies are facing mounting pressure from their stakeholders and their customers to demonstrate commitments to environmental, social, and governance priorities. Since contracts set the rules of the game with companies, suppliers, partners, and customers, they are powerful instruments to operationalize this effort. Our customers are looking to move standard language supported by organizations like the Chancery Lane Project to identify acceptable language that can become the basis of commerce moving forward. So Toya, my final points are simple. Contract intelligence empowers companies to transform their contracts into strategic advantages by allowing these organizations to understand the business value that exists within these documents. Essentially, if your Salesforce implementation isn't integrated with Icertis, you aren't taking full advantage of the benefits offered by these amazing solutions.
Thanks for that great summary, Paul. Can you tell us where customers can go to find out more about ICI?
Sure, Toya. You can find us on the AppExchange and, of course, at icertis.com. Thank you so much for having me today. It's been a privilege.